In today's video, I'm going to do a review for Pictory AI review. Okay, so what is actually Pictory? Pictory is actually making use of AI to actually make your video. If you have an article, they can actually help you to convert to a video, or if you have a script, they can actually also help you to convert to video as well. Or if you have some image, they can also help you to convert into the video. On top of that, if you want a transcript on a video, okay, they can actually help you as well. Okay, so why not I actually bring you to my screen here. Okay, you can actually see there's actually 4 options. Okay, from the left is actually article to video. Let me show you how to actually convert your article into video. Let's take examples on how to bake a cake. Alright, so all you need to do is just copy the link here, and on the very left side you just paste the link and press proceed. And right now, what Pictory AI is actually doing is they're actually extracting the key message in the article itself. Okay, they will take some time. Why not I actually pause the video, and then once it's done, then we will resume from there. Alright guys, welcome back. Okay, so Pictory actually extract all the key message from the article itself. Okay, so on the left side is actually the source article where you actually copy the link from. Okay, this is actually the left side, and from the right side is actually what Pictory AI extract. So if you can see on the source article, there's actually a green highlighted. Whatever that's actually green highlighted is actually appear in this column itself. Okay, if you can actually look through on this side and which particular sentence or paragraph that you want. In any case, if you are saying like if you want this particular tips here, you can actually click on the sentence, and automatically it will add it here. Okay, so you can actually add more if you want. And in any case, if you do not want the tips here, all you need to do is you just look for this particular sentence. There's X here, just remove it away, and this is the one as well, and this one as well. Okay, so right now you will actually remove from this part itself. So go through everything you want from the source article, then you can just simply click it, and then you will go into this box here. Alright, so this is actually very simple. So after you actually selected what article you want, which sentence you want, what you need to do next is very easy. All you do next is just press here, next, on this part. Alright, okay, so you bring you to the whatever ratio do you want. If let's say you are doing YouTube video, just go ahead and click 16:9. Alright, if you don't want to click if you do not know what you want to click, it is okay, you can actually skip here. They actually have a selection later on. Alright, so right now I'm going to choose landscape for YouTube video. All you need to do is just to it. Okay, it's very simple, just let Pictory AI do all the job. Okay, so right now I'm going to pause the video again, so it would not bore you waiting. So I will be back. Okay guys, welcome back. So what happened earlier on is they actually do up the video very fast. It's really done. So this is actually the video. Okay, so I want to bring your attention to you on the left side, which is actually the blue column. Okay, in the story, which is actually the extracted message which you want. Okay, and then you can actually go to visual, where you can actually change the image which you do not want. Okay, example, if you can actually take a look, scroll down. Okay, you can actually see all the scenes here. Okay, in any case, if you do not want this picture itself, okay, you can actually do a search here, whichever you want. Alright, example, if you want to change this, just click it, immediately they will actually change. Okay, if you want to move from scene to scene, you can actually do it from here at the bottom, or you can actually click here on the right. There's actually an arrow right. Okay, so you move to the next scene. Okay, in any case, if you want to add more, if you want to add a second scene, you can actually click here. You can actually click a blank scene, a text scene, visual only or a text and visual only. Okay, you can actually, from the button here, you can actually add more scene. All right, so I'm going to show you an example for text and visual. Okay, so you can actually choose your visual here. Let's choose this visual, and you can actually type whatever message you want here. There it goes. Okay, so once it's done, now they're actually doing, you're finding a relevant background which we already chose earlier on. Okay, so there you go. This is actually the scene which I just added earlier on, which is here. All right, so if you want to add additional scene, just click onto this cross here. Okay, so moving on, you can actually see there's an audio tab. Okay, just click onto the audio tab where you can actually select your music track. Okay, and there's actually a voiceover as well, so you can actually go over the voiceover. There's actually a few selections of voiceover in US English, UK, Australia English. All right, okay, so normally I will choose Matthew, so I will always apply. Okay, then in audio setting, you can actually lower down the music background. Okay, so you can actually see you can actually hear clearly for the AI voice. Okay, once it's done, and if you actually have any AI software, or you actually want to use your own, once you record, you can actually drag all your files here. All right, so moving on is actually style. Okay, so you have actually different type of style. If you want, you can actually choose from here. They will actually automatically change it for you. All right, in any case, if you want to change the color of the wording, just highlight it. Then this actually, if you press on to the A, you can actually change the text color to red, and then the background, maybe let's change to green. Okay, then the highlighted color, or you can actually change it to blue. Then you can remember to apply to all, so you can actually apply to all the scene. All right, okay, earlier on, which I actually changed the highlighted color, so they will actually so using the AI, they will actually pick up the keyword, which is actually frosting cake, so they'll be highlighted in blue, which I actually said it earlier on. And if you feel that the highlighted is actually you can't see the clearly, all you need to do is to change back the background color. I would think go for black. Then you apply to all. Okay, there it goes. So this is actually how you change the background color. All right, so moving on to format. Okay, this is actually the last part which you need to do. There's actually you can actually select the video resolution for 720 or 1080p. So mostly I will select to 1080p. So you can still change your aspect ratio here. Okay, so after that, after you actually review all your scene, or do all your voiceover, everything, what you need to do next is actually just to generate the video out. All right, so what you need to do, just a click, and then now what you need to do is just to wait. Okay, so I will pause the video again, will not actually bot you. So once it's done, I'm going to show you the video. All right, okay guys, welcome back. Okay, right now the video is being generated, so all you need to do now is you can actually download it, copy the link, or actually export the text. Okay, every video generated will be actually saved under my project. Okay, so I already download the video. So right now I'm going to show you how the video actually looks like. All right,
how to bake a cake, a step-by-step guide. How to frost a cake, a step-by-step guide. How to bake a cake. Follow these simple tips and you'll be frosting cakes like a pro. Step 1, frosting essentials. Step 2, steadying trick. Step 3, layer by layer. Step 4, crumb coat. Cover the cake with a thin layer of frosting. Step 5, frost away. Step 6, decorative touch. Step 7, picture perfect.
there you go. This is actually the video which actually we did it earlier on. Okay, so going back to main screen, you can actually see other options as well, like scripts to video or visual to video. Okay, it's actually the same. If you have a script, just all you need to do, just press start, copy and paste your script, enter your video, and proceed on and do the same steps. Okay, and if you have some visual, all you need to do is the same. Drag on, drop all your visual in, and then proceed. Repeat the process as well. Okay, so one more thing which I want to show you is actually transcribe the video. Okay, so what you need, okay, I actually have prepared a video to actually transcribe. Let me just show it. There it goes. This is actually a Gary V video. Okay, what I need to do now is to, once you actually find your video, you can actually drag and drop, or you can actually find them, and then you can actually press upload. Alright, so the video is actually uploading. Once the video actually complete, you can actually see the transcribe being pulled out from there. Okay, so if you're actually doing transcribing, things like that, Pictory AI have this function. So you do not need to buy extra software or buy services from them. Pictory AI can actually do a transcribing as well. So there's not a lot of people know about that. Okay, so actually I'm telling you guys. So just give it a minute, a while. Okay, so while they're actually doing transcribing, alright, just give it a minute. Okay guys, the video is already being transcribed. Okay, so I already upload the video. So this is actually how it works. Okay, so they actually on the left side, they actually pull out all the script itself. Okay, so immediately the script will be loaded into the video. Okay, so I'm going to show it to you now. Okay.
Loaded question. What is the truth about college for children?
Are you going to pay for his college?
Yes, I am.
Well, then take your 4-year vacation, bro.
That's not the answer I wanted. I'm just kidding.
Look.
So you can actually see. So I will just pause the video from here. I will not waste any more time. Okay, you can actually see is actually they pull out actually very accurately. So it's actually doing a very good job, Pictory AI. Okay, so I can actually see the video is actually the script is actually highlighted here as well. Okay, so what you need to do next is you can actually generate the video. Okay, so the video itself, the transcribe will be actually highlighted inside. Alright, okay, so once it is done, so your video generation is actually in progress. Once it is done, you can actually save it or in your desktop or whatever. Okay, so this is actually Pictory AI. It's actually very good, and if you want, you can actually take a look. I actually leave a link down in the description. Go ahead and click, and then you can actually do a purchase, and I will actually take some small cuts for this affiliate as well. Okay, so thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you like it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.